how to enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop. It's a very quick and straightforward process. To learn it you have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all, click on this start menu here, click on it, and then click on settings. And once you are on your laptop settings, now at the left side you will get personalization, so click on that, and now scroll down a little bit, and here you will get taskbar, click on that, and now again scroll down, and here you will get touch keyboard, click on here, and then click on always, and now at the bottom side on your display you will get this little keyboard icon, click on it, and then a on-screen keyboard will appear. So that's how you can enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop. I hope this video helps you. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.